Alright, so let's go to Onshape. And we're going to sign in. And what we're going to do too is we're going to create a cylinder with hole today. Alright, so as I start that, today we'll be looking at creating the cylinder using the Revolve tool. And then we will basically drill a hole in it, which will work nice. So, first thing, let's take that sketch plane. There we go. I might have you draw. Basically, here is we're just going to draw a rectangle. Let's make it 1 by 4. Okay, so now I have a 1 by 4 triangle. I'm then going to grab the circle tool here. It doesn't really matter that much, just down a little way, and we're going to draw a circle. Alright. Okay, we're going to leave that circle like there. We're going to draw another one down here. Again, it does not matter what the dimension is. I just want you to draw it. Alright. So now we have a rectangle with 2 circles. Those 2 circles, what we're going to do to one of them is we're going to use this tool, which if you look right here, this is called the trim tool. And what it does, it'll cut lines, as you can see as I hover over. If I click that right now, it'll cut the line. It'll make it disappear. We're going to do that one, and oops, that one. Okay, so now we are left with a 1 by 4 rectangle with half a circle and a full circle. Okay, we will then, over here, we will finish the sketch. When we finish the sketch now, you can see what it looks like from the side. Looks like that. We're going to use this tool right here. It's called Revolve. What Revolve does is it's going to revolve around a certain point. Okay, when we look at it, is what it's going to do. I am going to actually, I want to leave that one. I will get rid of that one and that one, just so I can see a little easier, sometimes a little easier. Alright, so what do I want it to revolve? I want that and that. I want both of those things to be revolved. Now, I'm going to say revolve around an axis. Let's say I choose this axis right here. What that does then is it creates a revolution and it sweeps it all the way around in a circle. So that's why this is hollowed out, because it's that part, and this part's whole because it's that part. I just want to show you the difference here, but if you revolve it differently. So let's go back. That's not what I want you to do. I just wanted to show you. So let's pick these 2 parts. You got to click them both, and then I have to go over here and click Revolve Access. We're going to revolve around this part. Okay, and we're going to finish it. Now, you can see that it's kind of an odd looking thing, but it will work. Okay, so now as we're looking at this, let's see if we can make a hole in it. So sketch plane, there we go, right click, view to normal, and here we are looking directly at it. I'm going to go up here and I select point. Okay, I'm going to put a point about halfway, whatever you think is about halfway, and then I'll finish the sketch, and then I'll click the hole button, and as you can see, I click it, it ends up looking something like that. Whatever you want to do here, we can run that through, whatever you want. I mean, it doesn't matter. So I can then show you, there is the hole. So when it gets done, it should look something like this. If you run this hole and it goes all the way through, that is fine. If you take that hole and only goes part way through. So there is how we use the Revolve tool. Alright, have a good day.